Welcome to part 1 of chapter 3. In this first Tegrity lecture, I'm going to review with you the different vocabulary words for nationalities and the different words we use to talk about countries and continents. So the geographical places themselves, the country, the continent, as well as the word we use for those who live on such country and continents and thus have a certain nationality. And I will also talk about how we talk in terms of adjectives, using the adjective American to talk about he is American, she is American, he is French, he is Italian. I'm constantly aware of two different grammar points. I'm constantly aware of whether or not to capitalize, and I'm also aware of, is this masculine and is this feminine? In English, we capitalize everything. We have a language that's Germanic in origins. So we would capitalize, of course, both the nationality, if you talk about the American, the French woman, we're capitalizing the country's name, France, America, and we would also capitalize the adjective. He is American, the American pie, the French fries, or they should be called Belgian fries, the Japanese sushi, the Moroccan tagine. All of those are capitalized in English, Anglo-Saxon, but not in French. In French, the proper noun in terms of the Englishman is capitalized. But as we'll see a little bit further along, when we use an adjective, adjectives are not. So the book has given you a map with not an exhaustive, but a good, robust sampling of country names. Maybe we should just look at the map itself first, and we'll notice, so we have masculine and we have feminine countries. In North America, we have Le Canada, Le Québec, if you consider it its own sovereign country, Le Québec, Le Mexique, those are masculine. Le Brésil, the big countries in Latin America, are masculine. Les États-Unis, now this is masculine, plural. You can tell it's masculine because the word État has uni attached to it, which would have an I-E-S if it was feminine, but it's I-S. Les États, the states, united, unis, with an S, because it's an agreement with les États. Let's move over to Europe. Okay. I will point out later on a better map of Africa. For now, they've shown you le Sénégal, la Tunisie, le Maroc. In between le Maroc and la Tunisie, you have l'Algérie, you have la Libye, l'Égypte, la Côte d'Ivoire, l'Espagne, l'Italie, la France, l'Angleterre, l'Irlande, la Belgique, la Suisse, l'Allemagne, la Roumanie, and then they have l'Asie, and they give you la Chine. They don't give you land. Le Vietnam, le Japon. Of course, As I said, this is not an exhaustive map. They don't even give you the West Indies Islands. Down here, they don't give you le Cuba, la République Dominicaine, le Haïti, la Martinique, la Guadeloupe. But of course, you can also do your own research. You can find your own group of countries that you want to learn first and then work from there. This is the books sampling that we're using.